explain you about Dynamic CRM in my demo session. So, but I'm going to cover, I'm going to tell you about Dynamic CRM again in this session. And in this session, we'll be going to talk about what is Dynamic CRM, what's the use of Dynamic CRM, and why to use CRM, Dynamic CRM, and at the end, I will be going to tell you how to register on Dynamic CRM. What are the different editions available, and which edition will be suitable for us. Okay, so let's start with what is a CRM first. So as you know that CRM means customer relationship management, or it stands for customer relationship management. And what's the purpose of CRM? So the purpose of CRM is it is used by the companies to manage and analyze customer interaction and data throughout the customer life cycle. They have customer life cycle. Customer life cycle means the communicating with the customer, collecting the customer data, then connecting to the customer, communicate with the customer through emails and by calling them, okay, and to give them some promotions and all. So there's a complete customer life cycle, and mainly CRM is used by the companies to collect the customer data, to maintain the customer data on a centralized basis or at a single location or at a one location, so that that customer data can be used by the salesperson or the marketing guys or the customer service people to help them or to give information to them, to the customers. Okay, like the salesperson, if they have to if they have to give some additional information to the customer about the new products and all, so that they can achieve through this only if they have their customer information. Because if they don't have the customer records, they don't have the customer information like their phone numbers or like mail IDs, so how they will be going to communicate with them, right? And CRM is a shift from traditional marketing, as it focuses on the retention of customer in addition to the acquisition of new customer. Traditional marketing, like in traditional marketing earlier, what happened in traditional marketing, what happened? Usually we open a shop, or we open a department store or whatever, and we used to sell the products, we used to sell our things, and we are not emphasizing on the customer, and we are not interested, means we are not interested in storing the customer data, customer information. Okay, usually if you go to any small shop, they are not, they don't ask your information, they don't ask your records, they don't maintain your record, the customer records. Okay, because they are not interested in doing that. But at present, nowadays, CRM is a shift. Like that's why I have mentioned over here, it's a shift. It's a shift from traditional marketing, from the traditional marketing to the new market, to the current marketing. And because in current marketing, they focus more on the retention of the existing customer to the old customer. They don't want to lose the customer, and at the same time they want to acquire the new customer. They want to attract new customers also. Okay, because then only they will be able to make more profits, right? And how they can retain the customers or how they can attract the new customers, that is only possible if they have the information, they have the customer information. If they have their old customer, they have the information of their existing customer, they can time to time send them the promotions, they can time to time call them, okay, give them some offers on their mail IDs or on their phones. Okay, and same with the new customers. Whenever a new customer go for a shopping, at the time of paying the money, they collect the customer information, so that from next time they can send the information to them about their new products in their in the market or in their store. Okay, and it allows companies to coordinate their approach across channels, departments, and also geographically. Basically, previously what happened, like the departments of a company, they work separately. Like the sales department, they have no communication. They have no communication, or I can say that they have least communication with the marketing or with the other department. But now with the CRM, all the departments, they are connected together, or they are coordinating with each other. Okay, and also geographically means, because now not only in one geographic region, it means in other geographical region also, if we want to collect the customer information or the department wise information geographically, all that also we can do that by using CRM. So as you can see here, I have mentioned, I have tried to explain with the help of this graph or this picture. In this, it's a CRM, and in this CRM, this is the customer information. So customer information can be collected in various forms through by using web and email, or by call centers, or by fill up the fields, or with the partners. Okay, and the back office is what doing. The back office is doing the analytics, and based on that customer information, the back office, the people who are sitting at the back office, they are doing the marketing, right? Let me move this. So that is about the CRM. What is CRM? Next is, how is CRM used today, or how the CRM is used today by the companies. So CRM solution provides customer business data to help you provide service or products that your customer wants. So based on the geographical region, for example, if we have collected the customer information geographically or region-wide, so based on the region, we can decide that what product to be sold or what product to be provided to the customer in that particular region. If I'll give an example, for example, there we have, if I'll take an example of a Walmart. So Walmart has got their superstore in India as well as in Japan also. Okay, and the customer or the shopping habits of the people from the Japan and the shopping habits of the people in India, they are different. Okay, the products which we use, the edible products which we use, and the edible products which they use, they are different. They are not same. So the companies or the Walmart, they have to decide, they have to provide the product, they have to sell the product region-wise. Okay, let's say the customer in India, the customer is more keen or more interested in buying if I'll take an example of let's say cookies, so they are more interested in the cookies which are made of the veg cookies. Okay, but the customer in Japan, they are more interested, because 90%, or we'll say that 100% of them they are interested in buying the non-veg cookies. Okay, so the Walmart, they have to sell the products based on the customer requirement. Okay, if let's say if the Walmart sells the veg cookies if they try to sell the veg cookies in Japan and they try to sell the non-veg cookies in India, no one will be going to buy that, and Walmart, they have to face a lot of loss. Okay, so that's why, so based on the customer information, if they have the customer information, based on that they will be going to they will collect the customer information, and based on the customer requirement they will be going to provide the services or the products to that customer. Provide better customer service, cross-sell and upsell more effectively. It shows all closed and converted deals and also display current customer. Now they're talking about the deals over here. Deals means, for example, let's say the sales department or the sales department, they are in communicating with the customer, and the customer, they are interested in buying a product, but the deal has not yet finalized. Okay, so all the information will be stored on a centralized basis in the CRM, and all the closed deals and all the converted deals. Closed deal means the customer says, okay, I'm not interested in buying the product right now, so that time the deal will be closed. And the converted deal, the customer is ready to buy the product and he's agreed to buy our product or buy the product from the company, so it means the deal has been converted. The customer is ready to buy the product. Okay, so the CRM will display all the information. In that CRM, we'll be able to see all the closed and the converted deal, and as well as we will be able to see all the current customers, current as well as the existing customers. And it provides enough details so that the company can offer the client the product service that matches their needs the best. So that's I already explained in the first point. Like it provides enough details, or because if the company, they have got insufficient details, or so it is possible that they will provide the wrong product to the customer. Okay, and may contain information about their past purchases, who is involved with the account, and a summary of all conversation. Okay, if you'll take an example of over here, let's say if you'll take an example of a Flipkart, or if you'll take an example of any shopping website nowadays. So what happened? Usually what happened when we logged in, or when we try to buy a product, okay, when we order any product, so what happened, they asked us to log in, and once we logged in, after we logged in, we can place an order, and once we place an order, and next time if we logged in again, we will be able to see all our past purchases and who involved with the account and the summary of all the conversation. Like if there is any conversation between the customer and the sales representative, that will also be stored in that login account, and all the login history, all the order histories over there, all the dispatch history over there, and based on so based on the order history, the companies, they will try to they will send the information to the customer, and based on the previous purchases, the companies, they will send the new product information to that particular customer also. Right. So this is the CRM. Now, what are the CRM strategies? So this is the CRM strategies. It allows you to following: understand the customer, because the more we understand the customer, more we can make the companies can make more profit. Okay. We can retain customers through better customer experience. We can attract new customers, win new clients and contracts, increase profitability, and decrease customer management cost. Now, decrease customer management cost because here we don't have to manage anything manually. Everything is automated, and once the customer information is stored in CRM, we don't have to maintain the records again and again. Everything will be managed automatically in that. For example, if we have to send the emails to that particular customer about the new, if we have to send promotion emails to that customer about new products, that we can achieve using workflow. So we have to set that only once, and it will be set automatically. Means we do not need a huge team for maintaining that, for maintaining the customer information. Okay, and nowadays with CRM, we don't have to manage the customer data also. Means we don't have to manage the database also. That is also managed by the CRM itself, within CRM. And with the main CRM strategy is to attract new customers, because the more customer we get, more profit we will make. Okay, and understand the customer needs, understand the customer requirement, what type of product the customer is required, and then we can offer that customer that kind of products. Okay. Now, what is the impact of technology on CRM? Like the technology which we are using, at present the technology, what's the impact of technology on CRM? Technology have changed customer buying behavior. So you can compare like this, like previously in earlier days, the consumers, they are more interested to go to the shop or to go to this to superstore or anywhere, and they will be interested in buying the product from there itself. Okay, but nowadays the customer, they are more interested doing online shopping, right? So they don't mean because, and why they are interested in that? Because they can get more offers, they can get more information about the product without asking to anyone, and they can get more information and more choices by sitting at home, and they can pay online. So they don't have to go anywhere, they don't have to run from one shop to another shop. They can search online, and they can place an order online, and that is all possible because of the technology. Right? And the companies can communicate with the customer and collect their data in multiple ways. Like nowadays, the companies, they can also communicate with the customers, and they can collect their data in multiple ways, because nowadays the companies can make a phone call, through phone call or through some promotion emails. Okay, or they can offer some discount coupons on their mail IDs or on their phones, and they can and they can ask them, okay, you can visit this particular website and you can buy a product from there, and while checking out, while placing an order, you can use this promotion code, you will get this % of discount. And obviously, if you want to place an order, you have to register first, then only you will be able to place an order. Okay, or if you have already registered, so they already have got the customer data, right? So like this way, the companies can communicate with the customers. With new advanced technologies like web and smartphone, customer relationships are being managed electronically, because nowadays the consumers or the customer, they are more interested in using the shopping websites or the any of the shopping websites on their phones, because they don't want to sit at one place, because while they want to utilize their time. So while they are free or while they are moving, they can access the company's website, they can access the shopping website on their smartphones also. So like this, the companies can get in touch with the customer all the time, right? And CRM rely heavily on technology as it can collect, manage, and link information about the customer with the goal of letting your market and sales services effectively. And obviously, like once the product is sold, after sales services are also provided to the customer, and that is only possible if the companies have collected the customer information, their details, their requirements, okay, everything. So these are the benefits of CRM, that all business data is stored and accessed from a single location. Like as I already told you in the beginning, that the data will be stored as a centralized basis in CRM, so that it can be accessed from any part of the world and from anywhere. And from different geographical region, the data from different geographical region can be stored on a single place. So like this, we can reduce the time and the effort of storing or maintaining the data. And the department-wise data can be stored centralized, which gives management and employee immediate access to the most recent data. So the data can be stored department-wise also, like the sales department data and the marketing and the customer service department data also stored on a centralized basis, right? And it increases customer satisfaction because they are getting exactly what they want. Like for example, again, we have a complete list of products, and we have updated that product on our CRM, and the customer, with the help of by using a website, they can they can connect to our CRM, they can extract the data from there, and we have got proper filters over there. If I take an example of a Flipkart, for example, I am looking for a phone, XYZ phone, so there is a search option there. Either I can mention a specific model, and if that model is sold by our company or the company, that model will appear on the web page, and that web page is internally connected to the CRM. Okay, so obviously, so like this, we are increasing the customer satisfaction is increased because now they are getting exactly what they want, and it provides 360-degree view of all customer information. Because of CRM, we can get the 360-degree view of all the customer information, each and every information, like when they have logged in, or what product they have purchased, or what items they are looking for, or what products they are looking for. So all the informations are stored on a centralized basis, and we have got a 360-degree view, so we can get access to that data from everywhere. Okay, or we can access, or we have got a view of all the data, or each and every information. Growth in numbers of customers, obviously long-term profitability and sustainability, and highlighting poor operational processes. And at the same time, we can highlight the poor operational processes, at which region is making less profit. So then, based on if we have got the proper information that which region is making less profit, we can try to boost up the employees who are working over there, and we can let them start working hard, and we can let them to work harder, so that the company can make profit in that specific region. So that is only possible if we have all the customer information as well as the employee information, and which customer customer detail department wise, and the if let's say in sales department we have sales representative, so it is also means we have up to that level of filtration, that we can see that which sales representative is then get in touch with which customer. So we can see that which sales representative is making more profit, and time to time we can give some offers, we can give some promotions or offers to our sales representative also, so that they can work harder. And that is all possible if we have all the data stored on a centralized basis, and we have got a 360-degree view of, we have got a complete picture of the data, and that is only possible within the CRM. So that's the benefit of CRM actually. So it's a complete life cycle of a CRM, because if a company, if an organization wants to sell a product, or if you want to place any order, or if you want to get any order, they have to go through a complete life cycle, and that life cycle starts with the campaigning, because nowadays you know that campaigning or the promotion is very important for selling any product or of any items. Okay, so first the company will start with a campaign. They will plan a campaign, that when do we have to do the campaigning and all, and what is the budget of that campaigning, and for how many days we have to do the campaign. Campaigns like we can do the road shows, or we can do the campaigns in a newspaper, or through banners, or on TV, or on nowadays FM radios also, or nowadays on websites also. Okay, so everything is planned properly. The budget will be allocated to each and every campaign, and at the end will be in the campaign we will be able to mark that also, that we are investing this much money and we are expecting that much of profit after this campaign. Okay, so that is all the data will be stored in all the data will be managed by this campaign. Okay, now once the campaign is done, then we'll start lead. Then the lead comes. Lead means we are collecting the customer information, or getting the customer information. Okay, now there are various ways to get the lead: through emails, through phone calls, or through surveys and all, or through manually also. Like the people, they can also do the surveys with the customer, like in superstores and all, and they can collect the customer information, and then all the customer information will be stored on a centralized basis under lead. Okay, in the leads. And then the person who are the sales representative, they are work on that lead. The sales department, they start working on that lead, and now they are looking for the opportunities. Opportunity means like the people who are ready to buy the product, who are ready to accept the offers which is given by the companies. Okay, and if they say, okay, we are ready to buy a product, or we are interested in your offer and we are ready to get this offer, then the leads will convert it into opportunity as well. Okay, and the leads and the people of their leads which are not converted into opportunity, they will be marked as a closed lead, and they will be removed from the database as well, from the main data, and will be stored in a separate database, or in the separate table, you can say that. Okay, and once the lead will be converted into opportunity, then we will start creating the quotes. We will be start creating the quotes and giving to the customers, to the users. Okay, and once they are accept that quote, once they are ready to buy the product, so we'll be creating a purchase order. After that, the sales order will be created, and then the product will be delivered, and along with the delivery, along with the product delivery, the invoice will be generated and will be sent to the customer in the form of hard copy or in the form of soft copy. Okay, and after that we have sales also, or sorry, the service department also over there. Sales after service is also there. Okay, so it's a complete life cycle of a CRM. Right. So if you'll talk about CRM software, so what CRM software do basically? So CRM software consolidate customer information and documents into a single CRM database, so business users can more easily access and manage it. Basically, who will be going to access those customer information? Obviously the business user. And what business users can do? Business user can see, business user can extract the customer information, and they can offer the promotions to the customer based on their requirement, based on their shopping habit, based on their needs. And along with that, the business users can also find out that how much profit we have made in this particular quarter, or in previous year, how much profit we have made. So that all can be managed easily if the customer information has been stored on a the information has been stored in a centralized basis. Okay. These are the common features of CRM software, include like the marketing automation, Salesforce automation, contact center automation, geological technology, or location-based services. So these are the common features of CRM. Marketing automation marketing means time to automated process. Automation means time to time sends emails to the customers, okay, to the users, sending emails to them, sending promotion emails, sending messages to them. Okay, so that it will be an automated process. We'll just set the process once, and then it will be sent automatically on a specific date or on a specific time. Contact center management, like time to time we'll communicate, we are getting in touch with the customer, and we'll get to know that whether they are still using the we'll be doing the surveys with the customer, and we are getting their updated information, like if their information has been updated, if their information has been changed. So time to time we'll get their we'll get their updated information, so that we can get in touch with them. Okay. Now what is Microsoft Dynamic CRM? Basically, so this is about CRM. Now what is Dynamic CRM and how it is useful? So basically, what is a dynamic CRM? So it is a business software application that allows companies of all size to track, manage, and reports on customer interaction, right? And Microsoft Dynamics CRM is part of the Microsoft Dynamics CRM brand, which offers multiple software products to help business automated and streamline various operations such as financial analysis, customer relationships, supply chain management, manufacturing, inventory, human resources, and so on. And it is a product for, obviously it's a CRM management software product, and which is released by Microsoft, and it is user friendly, and it helps in improving the client and customer relationship. And it is designed to help you to improve business outcome from sales, marketing, and customer services. And okay, so as you can see here in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, so Dynamics CRM mainly focus on sales, marketing, and customer service. And Dynamics CRM can easily integrate with our existing setup. Like if we have existing setup like for finance or logistic or ERP, any system which we are using, so we can easily integrate Dynamic CRM with our existing applications which we are using, and we can extract the data from there into our Dynamic CRM. We can easily integrate with our CRM. Okay, and CRM, as you can see here, as you can display the CRM can be displayed, either it can be accessed from the cloud or it can be deployed on premises also. Okay. So these are the CRM functionalities: support, sales, marketing, and it is customizable, and the marketplace. So what is marketplace basically? So as you can see here, and to extend the capabilities of the software, these extensions are available in the centralized marketplace on a centralized basis. So the third parties can create solutions to add on to the software. They can purchase from third parties marketplace. So basically we have a marketplace over there in CRM, and we can, like if we want to integrate our CRM with any of the application, so there is a marketplace, and we can easily integrate our CRM with any of the existing application or existing system which we are using up till now. It is easily customizable. Dynamic CRM is easily customizable, and it supports sales, marketing, and service, these functionalities. So these are the three major CRM functional areas. We have sales, marketing, and customer care. So sales, so basically sales is for, it gives a complete view of customer data online or offline. And it enables your sales professionals to get real-time access to leads, and it is also used to identify cross-sell and upsell opportunities and close more deals faster. That's the function of sales. Now, what is in marketing? What we can do in marketing? So in marketing, basically it gives a clear view of customer and more informed marketing investment. Okay, and with the help of marketing, we can segment customer lists into distinct groups, and then market to one or more of the identified segments by using a workflow-driven model. So we can do the marketing based on the customer requirement, based on the region wise, we can do the marketing. And customer care, once the product has been sold, we have to take care. We have to do the customer. We have to give an service to the customer, so that we have to offer them services, so that that will be maintained using the customer care. And it provides more values to the customer. Basically, it is used by using customer care, we can respond faster to the customer service issues, and if they have issues or if they have any issues, so we can respond faster to them by using CRM. Okay, so the customer, they can register their cases, and those cases we can store in the CRM, and we have all the solutions over there, and we can, based on their cases, we can give them the solutions easily. So this all happens nowadays. This all happens in call centers also, right? So these are the three deployment options available with CRM, like on-premises, on-cloud, and partner-hosted. So on-premises, this is mostly used by the companies, because in on-premises they have got a total, you can say that they have got the complete control on their application. The companies, the organization, they will be going to maintain the application. They will be going to maintain the database. They have got more security actually. Okay, but the thing is, because they are doing everything by their end. They are maintaining the application, they are maintaining the database. So they have to they require a big team. They require a huge team to maintain that database, to maintain that application, and they have to take care of this application upgradation also. Okay, but in online cloud, this is the easiest way actually. So for on-premises, that is okay for the big companies because they have a huge setup. But if a small company, they don't have a huge setup, they don't have a big setup, they don't have so much of capital, or they don't have so much of investment for maintaining the applications and to maintaining the database, and to they are not interested in setting up a huge team, so they can go with the online cloud deployment option. In this, they don't have to maintain any setup their end. They can access the application online, and the rest of the thing will be managed by the Microsoft CRM. The database, the application upgradation, everything will be managed by the CRM. The clients or the companies, they are only accessing the application at their end, and they are only modifying the application as per their requirement. That's all. So in our case, we'll also be going to work on the same way. Okay. And the third one is the partner hosted. In partner hosted, basically we can say partner hosted is like that some other company or the third party, they are hosting the application for us. Okay. Means for us, we are accessing the application on the cloud, but the third party, they are managing the application for us. They have set up everything. They have installed the application on their server. Okay, and we are connecting to them, and we are accessing application from them. So right, so that is the third option, is the partner hosted. So these are the major technologies. Basically, Microsoft CRM integrates and works with the following technologies like the Active Directories, IIS, .NET technologies, Microsoft Exchange, SQL servers, and SRS. So CRM can integrate with all the technologies, and okay. So CRM can integrate with these technologies and all. Now if you'll see the Dynamic CRM at a glance, so this is like we have got over 15,500 customers from small to enterprises, over 7,500,000 users in more 80 countries. So these are the stats for the Dynamic CRM, and at present it's multi-language with more than 25 languages, and it's a full CRM suite for marketing, sales, and service. So basically nowadays the organization, the company, they are not interested in installing the separate application for sales, separate application for marketing and services. They need common. They would like to maintain sales, marketing, and services under one roof. So Dynamic CRM provide them a complete solution under one roof for marketing, sales, and services. So these are the different editions, and these are the different editions available with Dynamic CRM. So we have got this is recommended for sales team. It costs $65 per user per month, and these are the features available with this. And it activates your marketing and service departments. It costs $200 per month, and it has got like Dynamic CRM Online Enterprise Marketing, Collaborative Case Management, and Unified Service Desk. And these are the additional features for this, like web care and social care is also available. And this is a standalone feature. Standalone means like it's a Microsoft Dynamic Marketing for $125 per month, and external users require 5 GB of storage, so it means it offers 5 GB of storage, 50,000 emails per month, and additional instance. If you want to add additional instance, you have to pay a little bit more, $250 per month, and for testing instance, you have to pay money for that. If you want additional storage, so per GB is 9.99 GB per month. So obviously still they are providing 5 GB. If you want more storage, you have to pay money for that. So these are the additions available within Dynamic CRM. Okay. So we are going to work on a trial version, but once we start working in an organization, so the companies will be opt a edition by themselves. Okay. They will, as per their need, as per their requirement, they will be get an edition. Okay. So let's see how to register on Dynamic CRM first. So I've already registered on Dynamic CRM, but for your ease, I'm going to register again. So to register on Dynamic CRM, so let's see how to register on that. So I'll open google.com, and here we'll be going to see where to register on Dynamic CRM. trial version. So that's the link for Dynamic CRM online trial. So it's open, and sign up for free trial, and so we can sign up over here. And it is so we'll get 25 licenses and 5 GB of storage for 30 days. And after 30 days, if you want to continue with the same application which you have created or the work which you have the same application, you have to go for a subscription. Okay. So click on try it free. Okay, so I'll go with India, and yeah, first name, so I enter my name, business email address, so I enter my email address, phone number, any phone number, let's say company name, and next. Then enter a username. What username would you like to create? So let's say I enter BISP. So BISP. Let's say this much. So if it exists, your company BISP, and if it exists, it says that it's already taken. So I enter BISP 12345, and it's already, yeah, it's done. So this is our user ID. So bisp@bisp12345.onmicrosoft.com. Password, enter your password over here. So I and confirm password, and next. Okay, in step 3, it will send a test code. So I enter the phone number. This is for confirmation. So we have got a verification code on phone. So let's see whether I have received the verification code. So let me open my phone and check what's the verification code and enter over here. So what's the verification code? The code is 242239. The code is 242239, and yeah, I would like to receive the offers on the product services on emails. I don't want on phone. Email is okay. Create my account. So it will create the account, and once the account will be created, we will be logged in directly into the okay, sign out, and we didn't recognize your user ID and password. Just a second. So, okay, so I'll copy this so that I do not miss this. Yeah, it's creating, and I paste it somewhere so that we do not miss it. Okay, so it's created, ready to go. If it shows error, just go back and refresh it. It will be done. Okay, yeah, this is the final step. So finish. Okay, currency is INR. Okay, it's getting set up. It will take some time. Okay, and sign in here. So this is the link where we have to sign in. Basically, this is the link for our application for Dynamic CRM. So I clicked on this, and it will take us to the CRM homepage. See, we have logged in, I think. Yeah, we have logged in main.aspx. We have logged in into the Dynamic CRM, and we have been redirected to the main page over here. Yes. So this is the home page of our CRM. So we have logged in. So what we will do is I'll copy paste this so that when we work on this, we'll log in using same thing. This one. Okay. Yeah. So this is the home page. Now we'll be going to work on this registration, and we'll be going to create our own new. So these are the entities. We have sales, service, and marketing functional areas. And in sales, in sales we have, if we'll go to sales, we have accounts, contacts, leads. So these are the existing entities. These are the predefined entities, the standard entities. And if you want, we can create our own entities and give access to that user, give access to the user so that user can use it. So we'll be going to do that. And along with that, we can set up new users also in this. We can set up the securities. We can create reports and dashboards. So we'll be going to do all these things. We'll be going to set up workflows. Okay, and processes also automated process. We'll be going to set email templates and all. So we'll be going to work on these sales, service, and marketing one by one. And we'll start with creating an entity first. What is an entity, and then how to create an entity. So we'll do this in next session. So we'll start with that, and how to customize a form. So for example, if you see this form, so I'll tell you that how to customize it, how to create new fields into that, how to put validation. So we'll be going to cover all these things. Okay, and we'll be going to see how to integrate our Dynamic CRM with our existing tools like the Salesforce or any other application, how to customize it, or how to extract the data from there, or how to obviously we'll be going to do data management part also in this. Okay, and also we'll be going to configure this application so that it can be accessed on a mobile phone, and we'll be going to set some web services also. We'll be going to configure our CRM with Outlook also. We'll be going to set up email services also with our CRM, right? So means we'll be going to do everything which is required by which is used by CRM developer to be work on it. Okay, so that's all for today's session. So if you have any questions, you can come up with your questions.